Patrice, only one defeat with 17 big wins coming by way of knockout. He fights out of the beautiful borough of Brooklyn, New York, and represents all of Puerto Rico. Here is the former WBO and NABO Super Middleweight Champion and former World Title Challenger, Edgar, the Chosen One, Berlanga. Down the scale, Mantequilla, Jonathan Gonzalez Ortiz. Ciento 167.4, 167.4 for Mantequilla, 167.4 for Mantequilla. And now to scale, the Chosen One, Edgar Berlanga. 169.6 for the Chosen One, 169.6 for Edgar Berlanga.
No, but I'm saying, is this for maybe it's like one of those, you know, his makeup. Go, Ed!
Jonathan Gonzalez, Mantequilla Ortiz, 10-round super middleweight matchroom boxing, live on the zone from Orlando, Florida. And ladies and gentlemen, our final fight on the card is Mr. Eddie Hearn proudly presents 12 rounds for the WBA Continental America's Middleweight Championship. Now making his way to the stage, professional record 19 victories, 1 defeat with 13 wins coming by way of knockout. He fights out of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Here is the former NABA and NABO middleweight champion, Patrice Volny. Here's the former WBA International and the IBF North American middleweight champion, Austin Ammo Williams. Now to scale, Patrice Volny. 159.4 for Patrice Volny. 159.4. And now the scale from Houston, Texas, Austin Ammo Williams. The middleweight limit, bang on 160 pounds for all.